Ducati has taken the wraps off its latest creation, the Panigale V4 Lamborghini Edition, a special superbike created in collaboration with fellow Italian supercar powerhouse. This striking machine draws inspiration from Lamborghini's Revuelto and is set to turn heads with its exclusive styling and performance upgrades. Production will be strictly limited, with just 630 units available to the public. An additional 63 bikes will be reserved for Lamborghini owners, who can personalize their Panigale to match the exact color scheme of their Revuelto, ensuring a perfect 2- and 4-wheel pairing. Based on the already formidable Panigale V4S, the Lamborghini Edition receives several bespoke touches. It rides on forged aluminum wheels, features a redesigned carbon fiber tail section and wings, and gets a new seat style to echo the interior of the Revuelto. A titanium Akrapovic exhaust system shaves weight and boosts power to the platform's peak output of 218.5 horsepower, all while reducing the bike's dry weight to just 185 kilograms, making it the lightest Panigale V4 yet. Performance-focused features continue with the dry clutch, adjustable billet aluminum footrests, and matching brake and clutch levers. Riders who take their bike to the track will appreciate the inclusion of a racing billet aluminum fuel cap, carbon fiber open clutch cover, brake caliper cooling ducts, and a removable license plate holder, all part of the package. Additional exclusive touches include a machine triple clamp, a custom dashboard animation at startup that displays the bike's name and production number, and a laser-etched aluminum key badge. Every Panigale V4 Lamborghini will be delivered with a certificate of authenticity, a special bike cover, and a personalized presentation box that matches the bike's livery. The motorcycle is also shipped in a custom wooden crate, complete with a rear paddock stand, designed to complement its color scheme. A perfect fusion of motorsport pedigree and Italian design, the Ducati Panigale V4 Lamborghini is more than just a motorcycle.